subscribe my YouTube channel, Qari Saim Official.
Hello everyone, thank you for having me today. I am going to be speaking to you about our special month Muharram. It's an important month of all Muslims because Muharram is the first month of the Islamic calendar. It is one of the year in which fighting is not allowed. This month is accounted with many stories in Islam. The other month are Dhul Hijjah and Rajab. Since the Islamic calendar is the lunar calendar, Muharram moved from year to year when compared with Gregorian calendar. Muharram is held to be the most sacred of all the months except for Ramadan. Some Muslims fast during these days. The 10th day of Muharram is a day of Ashura. To Shia Muslim, it is the part of morning of Muharram. The morning is for Hussain ibn Ali, who was the grandson of Prophet Muhammad and their third Imam. Many Sunni Muslims fast during these days. It is in the hadith that Musa and his people had a victory over the Egyptian Pharaoh on the 10th day of Muharram. The Islamic Prophet Muhammad asked Muslims to fast on this day and also a day extra either before or after. Many Muslims cook something sweet like sweet rice and share with their family and circle of friends to eat with breaking their fast. On Muharram, a large number of people gathered and decorate Tazia. As the symbol of the battle, people of Muslim communities in many parts of the world set up langar. Langar is a large pot filled with food where water is served free to all for 9 days on Muharram. Sunni Muslim prepared khichda. Khichda is in form of rice which included all grain and lentils. Now, I think I gave you some knowledge about Muslims.